Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to our sanctuary, a space where your pain is seen, your voice is heard, and your heart is safe to open. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found this moment. And if you've been with us before, welcome home. You open your eyes at 4:03 a.m. The room is dark, silent, no sudden noise, no nightmare, just an invisible pull from within, like someone quietly whispered your name. You listen. Nothing. But something inside you is already awake. You look around. Everything seems fine. The bed is warm. The house is still. Outside, the world is sleeping. And yet, there's a strange tension inside you. It's not fear, not sadness, just pressure. A quiet, persistent pressure in your chest, like your soul is holding its breath. You sit with it. You take a deep breath. Try to name it. Is it stress? Loneliness? Nothing fits. It's not loud enough to scream, not soft enough to ignore. This is what we call quiet anxiety. It's not the dramatic kind. No racing heart, no visible panic. It's the kind that lives in the in-between, the kind that follows you like a shadow, a subtle imbalance, like walking through fog, always a step behind yourself. You get up, coffee, shower, smile, reply, perform, but the weight remains. Not heavy enough to collapse you, just enough to wear you down. You have everything. A job, a home, a life. But it feels like you're in an airplane that's lost pressure. You smile at someone, but it feels like smiling through glass. You wonder, is this just adulthood? This anxiety wears costumes, busyness, responsibility, success. It whispers, not shouts. Keep going. Do more. Don't stop. But no matter how much you do, the weight doesn't lift. And the cruelest part? You start blaming yourself. Maybe you're too sensitive. Maybe you're broken. Maybe you should just be stronger. But deep down, something else knows. This isn't weakness. This is a message. A soul signal breaking through the static. You're not broken. You're waking up. Waking up to the space between who you are and who you've been pretending to be. Waking up to the ache that says, this isn't all there is, and that's the beginning, not the breakdown, the breakthrough. Take a breath. We're in this together. There's a reason this anxiety stays hidden, even from you. It wears the mask of success. It hides behind your schedule, your smile, your ability to carry it all. On the outside, you look capable. On the inside, you feel like you're unraveling. Buddha called this suffering dukkha, the unease that comes from clinging. Clinging to who you think you should be, to perfection, to control. The tighter you cling, the more you disappear. You become roles. The dependable daughter, the strong partner, the tireless worker, and your real self? She gets quieter, smaller. You hear the whispers. You should be grateful. You should be better. You should keep going. Psychologists call it the empty vessel syndrome. You give and give and give, hoping someone will notice you're running on fumes, but no one does. You smile, but it feels forced. You help, but it exhausts you. You say, I'm fine, but inside you feel invisible. This isn't dramatic, it's quiet. A hum of unrest that becomes your normal. Ask yourself, do you wake up tired? Do you dismiss your accomplishments? Do you struggle to say no? If yes, pause. This is not weakness. This is awareness. This is the moment the mask slips, not to shame you, to free you. There's a story about a young nun who feared silence. Every time she sat to meditate, pain surfaced, memories, regrets, questions. She avoided silence, afraid of what she might find. Her teacher said, "The silence is not here to hurt you. It's here to hold you. Sit with it. You'll hear truth, louder than fear." So she did. And she wept, and she healed. Maybe stillness scares you because you know what waits in it. And you're ready. This isn't about fixing. It's about facing. It's about becoming honest. Let's begin with breath. Inhale for 4. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Repeat. 10 minutes. That's all it takes to shift from tension to calm. Now a ritual. Write a letter to your anxiety. I know you showed up to protect me, but I don't need your armor anymore. Burn it. Let the smoke carry what no longer belongs to you. You're not here to be agreeable. You're not here to please. You're here to be whole. Take up space. Speak your truth. You're allowed. Now that you've seen it, the pressure, the silence, the ache, what comes next? You return. Not to who you were, to who you really are. Here are 10 practices for that return. Sit in silence. For 5 minutes, say, "I am a mountain." Let that be your anchor. Write as your anxiety. 1 page, no filter. Then close the notebook. Dance freely. Let your body process what your mind can't. Make tea slowly. Sip with both hands. Let it warm your chest. Walk with no destination, no phone, no goal. Just listen. Create a personal mantra. Repeat it daily. I am enough. I am safe. I am already home. Do nothing. On purpose. Let silence be sacred. Create. Paint. Scribble. Tear paper. Let your emotions move. Say no. Even once. Protect your peace. Name 3 small things you're grateful for each night. And if all of this feels too much, start with 1. 1 breath. 1 kind thought. You are not your anxiety. You are not your past. You are the light that returns through every crack. So tonight, take the long shower. Light the candle. Unplug from the world and reconnect with your breath. Speak to yourself as if you were someone you love. Touch your own hand like it's sacred, and remember, healing doesn't come all at once. It comes in waves. Sometimes it looks like rest. Sometimes like rage. Sometimes like laughing until you cry. Let it come. Let it flow. Let it teach you. And when you forget, come back to this breath, to this body, to this moment. Because right here, right now, you are enough, exactly as you are. If this video touched your heart, please subscribe and share it with someone who might need it too. We publish videos like this every day, and tomorrow a new one will be here. We're not going anywhere. For now, let yourself exhale. Let yourself just be. You don't have to rush. You don't have to be perfect. You are already worthy of love. You are already on your way home, to yourself. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow.